Hello class, today's recordings did not go as planned, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and record it on this today. My remote learners, there will be less and less videos as we go on because most of your content is coming straight from the homework videos, okay? So if you need to know what to do today, you need to look at your daily agenda and follow the directions, okay? This is something that I went over in class because I noticed we were having an issue, okay? So I'm going to go over number 3 on the homework, okay? It says that Riley needs to make fruit punch for the family reunion. Actually, I went ahead and grabbed it for us, okay? Riley needs to make fruit punch for the family reunion. This is one batch right here. Okay? If the punch bowl holds 27 cups, how many cups of orange juice will she need to keep the ratio in a full punch bowl the same? Okay, so if we're looking at this, I noticed that it talks about orange juice, so this right here is going to be important to me, okay? And it also talks about the whole punch bowl, okay? Which is the same as saying that I need like the total amount, all right? So I look at this and I notice total's not here, but I can find it. So let's go ahead and add that to my table. Okay? And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. All right, so I have a ratio right here. I have my 2 orange juice and my 9 total. All right, I'm going to draw a picture for this. Okay, I got my 2 orange juice, and I have it orange, but I'll also just label it with an O. I'll put a J. Hopefully it looks like a J for you. Okay, and then I'll also go ahead and do the total fruit punch, which I suppose is red. My fruit punch is probably red. Okay, this is going to have to be a little longer. Okay, and you want those lines to connect so that they look like boxes and not like a comb. And of course, this was my fruit punch, so I'll just put an F for punch. Okay, actually, I'm going to make it a T for total because it's the total amount. Okay? And so if I'm looking at this, I'm looking back, I have this extra 27 that isn't anywhere. It's all the fruit punch. Okay? So that means that all these boxes have to add together to get 27. Okay? And there's 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. I have to figure out what times 9 will get me 27. Okay? I can think about it as 27 divided by 9. A little division sign there. Okay, the answer is 3. Okay, so all these boxes are going to be worth 3. 3 and all the way down. If all of these are worth 3, then these are worth 3. Okay, so I'm ready to look. How many cups of orange juice? So I see 3 plus 3, so I need 6 cups of OJ. Okay, this should help you with the next 3. Okay, please remember to read the directions in Google Classroom and answer the ones that follow. Attach your picture of your homework to it. Okay, there's a video for that in Technology Help. Attach it to the assignment. Okay, have a great day.